Today's episode, the 5 Ps of AI for customer success. Now, we're diving into how AI is reshaping our galaxy, one customer interaction at a time, and how each P aligns with the legendary members of the Star Trek Enterprise crew. Let's engage. The first P, prediction. AI helps us identify churn risk, forecast renewals, and uncover upsell opportunities by analyzing behavioral patterns and usage data. The customer success impact, we move from being purely reactive to proactive, increasing retention rates and customer satisfaction and driving revenue growth at warp speed. Now, think about Spock, our data scientist. He's always calculating probabilities and anticipating threats before they occur. Just like AI, he enables us to act before it's too late. Spock often says, Captain, the odds of successful renewals without intervention are unfavorable. The second P, personalization. AI enables hyper tailored onboarding, content creation, playbooks, and support scenarios based on our customer's role, industry, customer lifestyle stage, and behavior. This drives deeper adoption, engagement, and customer loyalty. Enter Uhura, our marketing communication specialist, fluent in hundreds of languages. She ensures communication is precise, respectful, and resonates. AI does the same, ensuring we speak each customer's language the way they need to hear it. It's not just what we say, but it's also how we say things that matter to our customers so that they hear it. Third P, productivity. AI automates repetitive tasks. Think about QBRs, or what I like to call customer objective reviews, or CORs. They allow us to help prep those, help us with email content creation, support ticket triaging, and customer call summaries so teams can focus on strategic, value driven tasks. This boosts go to market effectiveness so that marketing can scale faster, sales cycles are shrunk, and customer success managers focus on proactive value optimization. Scotty may be known for sales alignment in our universe, but this is the moment that he can engage from an efficiency perspective. I can't change the laws of physics, Captain, but AI can help us do more with less. The fourth P is proactivity. AI surfaces early warning signs, recommends next best scenarios, and alerts customer success managers before issues escalate. This shifts customer success from reactive to strategic and improves the net revenue retention, yielding out some of the world's best revenue growth. This is Captain Kirk and the customer success team fully engaged. Customer success doesn't wait for problems, they anticipate them and then they act. Risk is our business, and AI helps us manage it before it manages us, says Captain Kirk. The fifth P and the final, performance. AI enables us to monitor the metrics that matter: net recurring revenue, customer satisfaction or CSAT, adoption, support volume, and team efficiency. Just like the Starship Command, the customer success leaders need real time dashboards and insights to steer the ship. Without measurement, there is no improvement. And without AI, there is no true customer success at scale. Now, to recap the 5 Ps of AI for customer success and their Starfleet counterparts are prediction, that's Spock, logic meets foresight; personalization, Uhura, speaking with precision; productivity, Scotty, automate the outcome; proactivity, that's Kirk and the customer success team acting before there's a crisis. And then there's performance, that's Starship Commander, customer success leadership with measures that matter. These aren't just buzzwords, they're a roadmap to customer success 5.0. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to augment us, to amplify the human side of customer success with precision, speed, and scale. Now, here's the call to action. Which P are you forecasting this quarter? Let's start the conversation in the comments. And as always, subscribe to the newsletter for more cosmic customer success insights. So until next time, Customer Success Universe, live long and prosper for customer success. Thank you.